So welcome friends in our channel. I am Dr. Atul ji and we are getting information about SSC syllabus M1 subject, and from M1 subject we are discussing about first chapter and practice set 1.3. In last video we are already discussed 1.1, that is Simul equation. Now today we are going to learn about Cramer rule. So friends, here is, now we are discussing about third question, that is solve Simul equation by Cramer rule. For Cramer rule we have to find out the value of three determinants. First, that is d, next one, that is dx, last one, that is dy. For the getting elements of d, we have to take just information about x and y coefficient. X coefficient 3, 4. Y coefficient, that is -4 and 3. For dx, we have to write down here just value belongs to right hand side, 10 and 5. And y coefficient same, -4 and 3. And for dy, x coefficient same, and instead of y coefficient we have to take elements this one from right hand side. I would like to summarize here. For d, x and y coefficient, for dx, x coefficient are absent and we have to consider right hand side digits. And for dy, y coefficients are absent. For dx, x coefficients are absent. For dy, y coefficients are absent. Now solve. 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 into -4, that is -16, and such minus sign from our rule. 9 plus 16, value is 25. For dx, 10 into 3, 30, 5 into -4, and such minus sign from our rule. Three into 5, 15, 10 into 4, 40, -25. Now, for x, dx upon d, dx 50 upon d 25, and for y, formula is dy upon d, dy -25u and d 25u, hence -1, and the answer is 2 minus 1. Now students, let us take another example. So friends, now we are discussing about your fourth sum from third question of your practice set 1.3. So friends, fourth sum is 6x minus 4y is equal to -2 and 8x minus 3y is equal to -2. Now here we have to take x coefficient and y coefficient for d like this: 6 and 8, -4, -3. Okay. Now x coefficient are absent in dx. And instead of this, we have to take this one, -12 and -2. And y coefficient are same, -4, -3. In dy, y coefficient are absent. And instead of this, we have to take this one, -12 and -2. And x coefficient are same. I would like to summarize here, friends. For D, we have to take x and y coefficient. For dx, x coefficient are absent, and for y coefficient are absent. How easy? Now, let us find value of determination. 6 3s are minus 18, 8 4s are minus 32, and such minus sign from our formula. Subtraction, 32 minus 18, that is 14, and sign should be plus because bigger sign. Here also, minus 12 minus 3 plus 36, minus 4 minus 2 plus 8, and such minus sign from our formula. Subtraction, that is 28. 6 minus 2, that is minus 12. 8 minus 12, that is minus 96, and such minus sign from our formula, hence minus minus plus here, and 96 minus 12, that is 84. Obviously such 84 should be plus. Now students, we know formula dx upon d and dy upon d. How easy? Dx, that is 28, d 14, so x should be 2, dy 84, d 14, y 6. Hence the answer is 2, 6. So friends, this is your fourth example, and now let us learn about your sixth last example. So friends, we are already learned 2 examples from Cramer rule. Now we are looking forward for sixth. From sixth example, here is one equation belongs to fraction. Let us solve it. If there is absent denominator, we have to take 1 and take LCM of 2 and 1, that is 2. Hence we have to write down 2 here and 1 here. Take multiplication, 2 into x, that is 2x, 1 into y, that is 1y, and 1 into 1, that is 1. How easy? For D, we have to take x and y coefficient. X coefficient, that is 2 and 2. Y coefficient plus 3 minus 1. For dx, x's coefficient are absent, and instead of this we have to take this one, 2 and 1, and y coefficient are same, 3 minus 1. In dy, y coefficient are absent, and we have to take 2 and 1 here, and x coefficient are same, that is 2, 2. So how easy? I would like to summarize. In D, we have to take x and y coefficient. In dx, we have to take only y coefficient, and x coefficient are absent. And in dy, y coefficient are absent. How easy? Take product. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 3 into 2, that is 6. And such minus sign from our formula. Answer is minus 8. Here is also 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 3 into 1, that is 3. And such minus sign from our formula. 2 into 1, that is minus 2. And 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Minus 5 here. And dy, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. Dx, that is minus 5 divided by minus 8. So answer is 5 upon 8. And dy, that is -2 and -8. Answer is 1/4. So 5/8 and 1/4 is the answer. Now we are going to discuss about your next practice size in next video.